While they may sound complicated, there are simple reasons why individual investors should add alternative investments to their portfolios.
Well, there are a number of ways that alternatives can provide diversification. One is the low correlation or lack of relationship to stocks and bonds. Secondly, the ability to profit in any economic environment, particularly if equities underperform or there's a higher interest rate environment. And contrary to what most people think, when they hear alternatives, they think volatility. Not the case. When you've added them in a portfolio of stocks and bonds, they've tended to reduce the overall risk of a portfolio and give you the ability to enhance returns.
Can you give me some examples of alternative funds that are working for you right now?
Well, there are a number of funds that provide the diversification outside of stocks and bonds and an independent return stream. Among them are Longshort currencies, enabling an investor to participate in the currency markets, but give them the ability to profit whether or not the dollar is rising or falling. Most of your currency investments in mutual funds or ETFs only allow you to benefit if there's only one direction, if it goes up. Our vehicles are more multi-purpose, give you the ability to benefit whether prices are rising or falling.
And what's the best way to get started in alternative investments? Because clearly you just don't want to sell all your stocks and bonds and jump into a currency fund.
Well, I think the best way to do it is through mutual funds or ETFs. They have daily liquidity associated with them. They're highly regulated. They have low minimums associated with it. So I think for the average retail investor, investing in a basket of different types of alternative strategies through mutual funds or ETFs is the best way to do so.
And as for the risks involved with alternative investments?
Well, when you look at alternatives in general, when you add them to a portfolio, they should mitigate risk because they're independent return characteristics and the fact that they have a low correlation to stocks and bonds. But like any investment, there could be potential downside. And with our fund, the Direction Currency Trends Fund in particular, it's looking for trends. So if they're trendless markets, that's probably a difficult environment for us.